Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I hope you're having a great day today. Sunshine today, le beau soleil. If you would like Ananas to join our class, can you say bonjour Ananas in a nice loud voice? Bonjour Ananas. Here she comes. Anana, voici an. Oh, Anana, are you? No, don't be shy, Anana. Come on, these are all friends with us. There she goes. Bonjour. Are you a little bit shy about learning French? Don't be. French is so much fun. Today is all about rhyming words. So let's get started. On va commencer ici. Can you help me choose a color? Une couleur? Can you repeat after me? Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, rouge. Ah, Madame porte sa casquette rouge aujourd'hui, alors on va choisir rouge. Voilà. So this series is called French with Ananas. This is lesson 4.6, O sound. Leçon 4.6, son O. So my friends, today is all about rhyming words. Ananas, do you know about rhyming words? Oui. Rhyming words are des mots qui riment. Riment. So, for example, if I say me and tea, both have the E sound at the end. Me, T are two rhyming words. You got it. Those are rhyming words. And then now let's give another example. How about mop and pop? Mop and pop both have the op sound at the end, so they are rhyming words also. And then now let's see if we can find more rhyming words from our O sounds. On y va! Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Oh, Do you remember how to say these words? Yo-yo, soleil. Yo-yo, soleil. So I hear an O sound at the end here. And even though there's an O sound in this word, it's not at the end. At the end is the A sound. You're right, Anana. These don't rhyme. Yo-yo and soleil, they do not rhyme. Yo-yo, soleil ne riment pas. They do not rhyme together. Let's go see if we can find some more words, Anana. Oh, regarde. Yo-yo, po. Yo-yo, po. What do you think, friends that are watching? Oui? Anana, oui? Sarim, oui. You are correct. Yo-yo and po rhyme together. Even though the last letter is not O, the T is silent. Shh. So we're not looking at the letters at the end. We're listening. We're listening for the sound at the end. Yo-yo, po. Yo-yo et po are rhyming words. Yo-yo et po riment ensemble. Bravo! And now we found some rhyming words. Les amis, let's go find some more. On y va. Let's see. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Yo-yo, stylo. What do you think, the friends that are watching? Oui? Non? Yo-yo, stylo. If you said oui, you are correct. Oui! Anana is cheering you on. Yo-yo et stylo riment ensemble. They are rhyming words. Bravo! On continue, les amis. Oh, okay. Do you remember this word from our last lesson? In the E sound words, ski, lavabo. Ski, lavabo. Anana, what do you think? Hmm, if you said no, like Anana, you are correct. That's the E sound, and that's the O sound at the end. Ski et lavabo ne riment pas. They do not rhyme together. Bravo! On continue, mes amis. Oh, wow. It's a big word, un gros mot. Rhinocéros lavabo. Rhinocéros lavabo. Do you think they rhyme together, our friends at home or at school? Or if you're watching us from the park or maybe the pool? What do you think? Anana, can you help them? Not rhyming. Not rhyming. You are correct. These two words do not rhyme together. Rhinocéros et lavabo ne riment pas ensemble. Good job. Continue, mes amis. Oh, deux autres mots. Photo, lavabo. Photo, lavabo. What do you think? Should we ask Anana? Anana, what do you think? Oui, oui, bravo. Photo et lavabo riment ensemble. They are rhyming words. Bravo, mes amis. Keep going. Okay. Do we remember that what this word is called? Coquelicot. Coquelicot. Radis. Radis. Ends with the O, ends in the E sound. Anana, what do you think? Oui? No? No. No, not rhyming words. If you said no, you are correct. Coquelicot et radis ne riment pas ensemble. They are not rhyming words. On continue, mes amis. Oh, ananas! Wow! On a beaucoup de mots. My friends, what do you think all these words have in common? Let's figure it out. Can you repeat after me? Yo-yo, pot, stylo, chapeau, lavabo, photo, coquelicot, ciseaux. Did you figure out why they're all together? Oui, Anana, did you figure it out? Oui. They are rhyming words. They all rhyme together. Even though they don't have the same letters at the end, they have the same sound at the end. And that's why they are rhyming words. Bravo! You're doing a great job, les amis. Great job. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? That's a question. Anana, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Dans mon sac? On va chercher mon sac, Anana. What's in my bag? Dans mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac, Anana? On va regarder, on va ouvrir le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Anana, did you want to mettre ta main dans le sac? Do you want to check? Put your hand in there. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, oh, un ami, a friend. Oh, Anana, c'est panda. Oh, big hug. Anana and panda are friends, des amis. Wait a minute. Anana, panda. Do they rhyme together? Oui, they do. Ananas et panda riment ensemble. Les amis, did you have fun today? I had a great time teaching you rhyming words. I hope I see you in the next lesson. Can you say au revoir panda, au revoir ananas, and au revoir madame? And madame is sending you a big au revoir. And if you want to learn how to say See you soon, you say à bientôt. À bientôt!